Hey there, plant lovers! Are you ready to add a splash of color and vibrancy to your indoor space? Whether you're a seasoned green thumb or just starting your plant journey, today we're diving into 25 of the most stunning, colorful houseplants that will transform your home into a living masterpiece. From exotic reds to soothing greens and everything in between, these plants are sure to steal your heart. And hey, tell us in the comments which plant is your absolute favorite. 1. Crotons, Codiaeum variegatum. Looking for a burst of fiery color? Crotons are your go-to plant. Their vibrant leaves feature shades of yellow, red, orange, and green. They thrive in bright, indirect light and need consistent watering to stay happy. Crotons are the ultimate statement piece for any indoor garden. 2. Chinese Evergreen, Aglaonema. Chinese evergreens are not only colorful but also incredibly easy to care for. Their patterned leaves come in a variety of hues, including pinks, silvers, and greens. They tolerate low light, making them ideal for darker corners. Plus, they're known to improve indoor air quality. 3. Anthurium, Flamingo flower. Let's kick things off with the striking Anthurium. Known for its glossy, heart-shaped leaves and bold, waxy flowers, this plant adds a tropical vibe to any room. The blooms come in shades of red, pink, and white, making it perfect for brightening up a corner. Anthuriums love bright, indirect light and slightly moist soil. Fun fact, they symbolize hospitality, so they're great for welcoming guests. 4. Dumb cane, Dieffenbachia. Dumb canes offer large, patterned leaves in shades of green, white, and yellow. They're easy to grow and make a big impact in any room. 5. Orchids, Phalaenopsis. Orchids are the epitome of elegance. Their exotic blooms come in every color imaginable. They love bright, indirect light and require a bit of patience, but their beauty is worth it. 6. Peace lily, Spathiphyllum. Next up is the elegant peace lily. Its white blooms and lush green leaves exude serenity and charm. Plus, it's an air-purifying superstar. Place it in moderate light and water when the soil feels dry. It's low maintenance and perfect for those who want beauty without the fuss. 7. Rex Begonia. Rex begonias are all about drama. Their leaves are textured and come in an array of colors like burgundy, silver, and green. These plants prefer high humidity and indirect light. They're the ultimate showstoppers in any collection. 8. Polka Dot Plant, Hypoestes, Phyllostochia. Add some fun to your indoor jungle with the polka dot plant. Its speckled leaves come in pink, red, and white varieties. This plant thrives in bright, indirect light and moist soil. It's compact and perfect for shelves or small spaces. 9. Bromeliads bring a tropical flair with their bold, colorful rosettes. They're surprisingly easy to care for and thrive in bright light. These plants store water in their central cups, making them unique and fascinating to grow. 10th. Nerve plant, Fittonia. With its intricate vein patterns in shades of white, pink, or red, the nerve plant is a conversation starter. It's a humidity-loving plant that thrives in terrariums or well-lit bathrooms. Keep the soil moist, and it will reward you with its vibrant foliage. 11th. ZZ plant, Raven. For a touch of elegance, the Raven ZZ plant offers deep purple, almost black leaves that contrast beautifully with lighter green plants. It's drought-tolerant and perfect for low-light spaces. 12th bird of paradise, with its banana-like leaves and vibrant orange flowers, the bird of paradise makes a bold statement. It loves bright light and even tolerates some direct sun. 13. Rubber plant, Ficus elastica. Rubber plants with burgundy or variegated leaves are a chic addition to any home. They're easy to care for and can grow into stunning indoor trees with proper care. 14. Red Aglaonema. A cousin to the Chinese Evergreen, the red Aglaonema boasts fiery red leaves edged in green. It's an easy care plant that thrives in low to medium light. 15. Spider plant, Chlorophytum comosum. This classic favorite isn't just green. Some varieties have vibrant white or yellow stripes. Spider plants are super low maintenance and even grow adorable spiderettes that you can propagate. Tradescantia, Wandering Jew. Tradescantia features trailing vines with purple and silver stripes. It's perfect for hanging baskets and thrives in bright, indirect light. 17th, Kalanchoe. This flowering succulent produces clusters of bright blooms in red, yellow, pink, and orange. It's low maintenance and loves bright light. 18. Peperomias come in a variety of colors and textures, from watermelon-like stripes to solid greens and reds. They're compact and thrive in medium light. 19th. African Violet, St. Paulia. Who can resist the cheerful blooms of African violets? These compact plants flower in shades of purple, pink, and white. Place them in bright, indirect light and water from the bottom to keep their fuzzy leaves dry. 20. String of Pearls, Senecio raulianus. This unique trailing succulent resembles strands of pearls. It loves bright light and well-draining soil, perfect for hanging planters. 21st. Coleus. Coleus plants offer bold, colorful foliage in patterns of green, red, purple, and yellow. They're easy to grow and add a pop of color to any collection. 22nd. Monstera, Swiss cheese plant. Monstera's iconic split leaves are a favorite among plant enthusiasts. It's easy to care for and grows beautifully in bright, indirect light. 23rd. Fiddle Leaf Fig, Ficus lyrata. The Fiddle Leaf Fig's large, glossy leaves make it a showstopper. It thrives in bright light and requires consistent care to reach its full potential. 24. Calathea, prayer plant. The Calathea's leaves are like living works of art, with intricate patterns and stunning colors, ranging from deep purple to light green. These beauties love humidity and indirect light. Watching their leaves move throughout the day is a mesmerizing experience. 25. Golden Pothos, Peperomia. Golden Pothos is a versatile and colorful vining plant with heart-shaped leaves, variegated in green and gold. It's easy to care for and thrives in low to bright indirect light, making it a favorite for beginners and pros alike. There you have it, 25 stunning houseplants that will bring life, color, and joy to your home. Which one is calling your name? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your plant-loving friends, and subscribe to our channel for more tips, inspiration, and plant care guides. Thanks for watching and happy planting.